What is international diversification? Diversification means holding different kinds of assets so that the risk of a portfolio can be brought down. If one component of the portfolio goes up when another is going down, the investor is able to limit losses. A domestic portfolio practices diversification by holding securities of different companies across different sectors. This reduces the risk of the portfolio. This is a celebrated picture of the diversification benefit. As you can see, risk reduces as more securities are added. It is interesting to see that there is a limit to the benefit of diversification. Risk does not reduce and become zero. It flattens off after a point. This means there is some risk a portfolio will have to bear. This is called the systematic risk. Systematic risk is typically caused by macroeconomic factors. For example, if the GDP of a country is not growing, its businesses are unlikely to do well, whether they make steel or soaps. Interest rates, inflation, employment, GDP are all macro factors that impact risk. What should the investor then do? Invest in another country whose macro factors are behaving differently. International diversification means reducing systematic risk that cannot be reduced any further domestically by simply investing internationally. When foreign institutional investors or FIIs seek emerging markets such as India, or Indian investors seek global assets, they are diversifying internationally so that they reduce the risk of a pure domestic portfolio.